All right, we're going on an adventure. We are going to go to what used to be the old Midtown Post Office, and it's now been turned into the new Penn Station. So we're gonna go check it out.
We got a train entrance here too.
All right, so we're coming up on this used to be the New York City Post Office, and now it's the Moynihan Train Hall. I believe there are 57 Corinthian columns. And this is exactly opposite. This building was, I think, finished maybe 1912, something like that. Conceived in the late 1800s. This is Penn Station, and they tore the building down that was gorgeous to make this kind of, what I think is a kind of a monstrosity. So here we go. And when it was the post office, this is where you'd go to get your, passport and all of that. They've got the little motto up here: neither snow nor rain, nor heat nor gloom of night stays these couriers from the swift completion of their appointed rounds. So this is still the old post office. All right, we're back over here, which is the train hall. So this part is evidently still being used as a post office, which I had misunderstood. I thought the whole thing was going to be a renovation. Maybe it will eventually, who knows? Here we go. It seems like this is the only little part, which is just this tiny little part. Okay, here we go. Lots of people. This is going to the subway. So here's the big reveal. It's this big skylight here in the middle. The dome. It's pretty cool. And then here we have the station itself. And there's a big waiting room here. I mean, Penn Station, for anyone who's traveled, is pretty horrible. I mean, it's really run down. It's anyway, this is an improvement for sure. There it is. Okay, so this is the city upside down. Funny. And this is 31st Street. So I'm on 31st Street, and here I am looking at the building, which they've just finished which is pretty cool when you see the enormity of this renovation and what they're planning to do still. There's going to be roof gardens up here with outdoor dining, evidently. I mean, it's very cool. Anyway, I'm going to walk towards 9th Avenue now. Here we've got our wacky mirrored buildings. Lots of construction still going on. This whole part hasn't even been, I mean, they've barely begun. It's in the inside.
So saving on loading docks.
But what will be over here? Do we know? We don't know what this will be. But with the High Line over here, this whole area is just being so redeveloped. I mean, this was such a no man's land back in the 80s. Nobody came out here, you know? You didn't come to 9th Avenue. Well, you did if you were, like, there were the strip clubs. And then you had the tunnel. That was over here. That was a nightclub. I used to go there. So 9th Avenue is Lincoln Tunnel. Yeah.
Look at the new
Yeah, so they've got little lampposts and they've got little baskets where they're going to put hanging plants. This, of course, all under construction. And then here's the 9th Avenue side. This whole area, this whole side is from the renderings we saw. It's going to be pretty amazing. But look at the old light fixtures. Aren't those pretty? So this is going to be quite something. Those are really cool. Love those. Step into 9th Avenue so you can kind of see the enormity of this building. Huge. And this was built in 1912, 1913, something like that. Unbelievable. Alright, so here we are. Look at that. Do you see how that thing extends out? And then there's like a window. So you step on it and then you look down, which would completely freak me out. This is the new, like, Whole Foods. It's pretty cool. Old smokestack. And then over here, right there, is the High Line platform. And then and we're gonna go on the High Line. Look at this. Clouds in the buildings. This is either the last entry or the last exit of the High Line. I'm on, this is Hudson Yards.